Hello everybody, welcome back to Understand UPSC, and today it is again a privilege to have Shakti here herself, and as promised before, we will be taking certain sessions, and the importance and the utility of the sessions will be told by Shakti herself in like another 2 minutes कि हम इन sessions में क्या करने वाले हैं. Please also sorry, welcome.
Thank you so
Welcome
much, sir.
back.
Thank you so
Welcome
much,
back.
sir.
And again, it's always great to have you here,
Thank
as
you
a
so much.
professor.
Same, likewise, sir. So it's always great to be back here. And so here the agenda of the upcoming sessions is because basically I had a good score in GS last year also, 2023 attempt, and I also have a good score this year. It was 435 and it's a jump of some 20 marks. I have 464 this year. So there is something that I think I have understood about the mains answer writing, specifically for the GS, that I think and I wanted to share it with you all. So here we'll be going on ahead with these sessions where I'll be discussing the 2024 paper, how I approach it in the exam, what was my way of writing the introduction, how to go about the body, how to structure your answers, and how to make your answers look much more multidimensional. So we'll be having 4 sessions for GS 1, 2, 3, and 4 that will be done individually. Now in these every paper, I'll not just be discussing how I attempted it. We also be going with the syllabus decoding where in every paper how many subjects are there, what is the weightage of every subject, what are the type of questions that are asked. For example, if we today will be or from next the sessions that we have, we'll have of every subject. जैसे geography का है, there are certain types of questions that are asked. There are some phenomena based questions. There are certain pure geography, like physical geography के question from your NCRTs, very static. Now we have to just identify the kind of questions that are asked and we can create a set template so that in an examination when we are writing the answers we do not get much confused and thinking or we waste much of our time like trying to recall. Because we have to maintain the speed in the exam, we have to maintain the consistency in your answers, we have to make sure that answer 1 is also written as holistically as answer number 20th. So that has to like remain. So in these sessions we'll start in this way only: syllabus decoding, subject weightage, kind of questions asked in every subject, which is the type of intro template you should follow, what should be the conclusion that you can give there, where data can be used, how we can use the specifically the government reports or the government data across the papers. So all of that we'll be taking in these sessions. Since these are going to be recorded sessions, you can always post your doubts if they are having, so that we can then have a doubt session where we can just interact with them freely and we can get the like answer their doubts.
Absolutely. So just to summarize, she has already said everything, but just to summarize, ये जो भी sessions होंगे इसमें the thing that I'm looking forward to is कि actually में जो paper attempt किया, because doing it in a 7 hour is very easy. Doing it under that pressure of a second means in 3 hours is an entirely different ball game. तो वो लिखने के बाद कैसे स्कोर आ रहा है ना, उसमें क्या लिखा, क्या स्ट्रक्चर बनाया, कितने हेडिंग्स में ब्रेक किया, क्वेश्चन को इंटरप्रेट कैसे किया, मल्टीपल इंटरप्रिटेशंस के क्वेश्चंस आ जा रहे हैं तो इंटरप्रेट क्या किया. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू. साथ में द अनदर थिंग इज कि सिलेबस तो ठीक है, उसमें जो क्वेश्चंस किस तरीके के आ रहे हैं उसका आइडिया. फॉर एग्जांपल ज्योग्राफी, शी वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस जस्ट अभी कि ज्योग्राफी में किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं वो समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है टू प्रिपेयर ज्योग्राफी फॉर मेंस. सो दैट ऑल यू विल बी गेटिंग डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम मैम. एंड ये जो लेक्चर्स होंगे दीज विल बी ऑन द अंडरस्टैंड यूपीएससी का एप्लीकेशन. तो वो आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में. यू जस्ट गो देयर, यू कैन जस्ट वॉच देम, है ना. दे आर कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. आप उनको देखिए. दिस इज एंटायरली शक्ति's goodwill. She could have literally used this time to be with the family and enjoy or travel, as I would have done that, but it is entirely goodwill that she will be spending hours only for the student community. So like पूरी स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी के बिहाफ पे थैंक यू.
नहीं सर, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन इन दैट प्रोसेस, क्योंकि जब प्रीलिम्स और मेंस के बीच में गैप कम होता है तो इफेक्टिवली यूटिलाइज दैट टाइम बिकम्स रियली रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. सो अभी आई कैन नॉट टेल यू कि आप ये पढ़ो ये मत पढ़ो, बिकॉज दैट टाइम इज गॉन. नाउ इट्स अ टाइम ऑफ अप्लाइंग योर नॉलेज, it's a time of writing more number of tests, and it's a time you should now understand. It will be helpful, I think, mostly for students who are writing their first mains, जिनको at least एक पता होना चाहिए कि कैसे questions आ रहे हैं, and we help them decode it here so that they have an idea कि this is how they have to proceed in the examination hall, so that they have everything prepared. वो जो one pages हम बोलते हैं, that does not, you cannot create it overnight. It comes with that idea कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा रहे हैं. सो आई हैव अ टेम्पलेट, बेस्ड ऑन दैट आई हैव माय इंफॉर्मेशन, आई जस्ट रिवाइज मोर ऑफ दैट, गो एंड ट्राई एंड रेप्लिकेट इट ऑन द पेपर. सो दैट इज what will be the agenda of these sessions.
Absolutely. And once the 4 sessions are done, उसके बाद आपको एक डाउट पूछने का मौका दिया जाएगा जिसमें आप अपने डाउट्स पूछ सकते हैं, एंड मैम विल कम लाइव मोस्ट प्रोबेबली एंड विल एड्रेस ऑल दोस डाउट्स, एंड इवन लाइक वी हैव डिसाइडेड कि जो बच्चे इस बार मेंस लिख रहे हैं बिकॉज उनकी प्रायोरिटी थोड़ी ज़्यादा है, उनका थोड़ा क्रिटिकल टाइम ज़्यादा है, सो दे कैन कम इवन इन द ऑफलाइन उस पर्टिकुलर डाउट सेशन वाले दिन, एंड दे कैन गेट देयर डाउट्स रिगार्डिंग दिस थिंग, and even in general if you have anything specific about mails, cleared directly ma'am say herself, right? So we will have the sessions.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much everybody, and I'll see you on the app. We'll see you in the sessions. Thank
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.